Hi, I'm Lakshiri Wickramage, Deputy Chairman and CEO of Derana. Yeah, it was a shock for all businesses, I think, not only us. And it was a big hit. And we had to keep the service going because we were named an essential service. In our business, it was a bit of a unique situation because most businesses could have reduced or limited their production or service to cut down on the cost because anyway the turnover wasn't coming. But in our business, because we were named an essential service, we had to keep the service going without the appropriate turnover coming because overall the business was down. So it was a unique situation, and we had to sort of adapt. We had to dig into our resources, and also we had to dig into our local insights to come up with solutions for this unique situation. So that's the way we faced the situation, and I think we faced the situation quite successfully. The business is almost back to normal because we adapted well to the situation. We had to use a lot of local insights, and I think we are one of those companies where we didn't cut down on any salaries, and we also paid bonuses. The April bonus was paid, and I think our people are happy and contributing a lot more. Roughly, our business has two components. One part of it is locally produced component, and the other part of it is the foreign productions that we use here. And during this pandemic, this time, there wasn't opportunities for us to sort of look at new foreign content. So we had to think locally, and one advantage that we had was we had time on our hands, especially people were and especially where digital content is concerned, people were at home and could work from home. So we had to think new, and innovate, and use the time that we had on our hands to our advantage. And we have started producing some content which we before brought from outside Sri Lanka. So we have started it, and of course in time to come you will see the material coming out, and which also will result in saving of some foreign exchange, also cutting our cost here. So that's one advantage we had during this time, and we used it to our advantage. Being a part of Restart Sri Lanka, I think it's an opportunity given to us to think local and buy local. Also, because it's a massive opportunity, we shouldn't miss this opportunity. We should get back on our feet and make use of this opportunity so that we can take the country forward. It's not only for business, even for the general public. We can innovate things, we can look at the world in a new way, because it's not only restart for Sri Lanka, it's a restart for the rest of the world as well. So we are given an opportunity to start again from the same starting point. This is what I think. And everything that we missed in the past, we can now start with the rest of the world and do better than them.